Teachers, thank you for ensuring that all the bubbles have been filled in. Students, I appreciate your patience. We are about halfway through this process. Let's go ahead and turn to page 4. On page 4, the College Board has a couple of questions that they would like your information about. And so we're going to be filling in box 8, 9 that has 2 different parts, 10 that has 2 different parts, and 11. In box number 8, you are asked to estimate to your best ability what your cumulative school average for your academic subjects are. You take many courses. However, I want you to focus on your social studies class, your science class. I'd like for you to focus on your your English language arts class, as well as your math class. So considering those 4 core subjects, right now I need for you to estimate what you believe your overall average is. So if you do not know for sure, I need you to estimate. I would like to think that all of our students perhaps have a B average. If you do not, don't enter it. Enter what you think. A plus, A, B plus, B, B minus, C plus, C minus, D plus, D, and for our purposes, we use F. Let's move on to section 9. Boxes 9 through 11 are used to help the College Board help you. Your answers to the following questions will help ensure that tests and services are fair and useful to all students. Please fill in the appropriate circles for yourself. So we're here at box 9. In box 9, provide information on your racial and ethnic background. If you identify with multiple races and ethnic groups, you may mark all the choices that apply to you. So indicating here on box 9, on 9A, are you Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin? No, not of Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin? Here. Yes, Cuban. Yes, Mexican. Yes, Puerto Rican. Yes, another Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish group. If you remember from the instructions, you may fill in all that apply to you. I'm going to indicate that Mighty Hornet is of Mexican descent, so we'll go ahead and bubble that in for that particular student. Right now, go ahead and bubble in a bubble or the bubbles that apply to you. 9B, what is your race? American Indian or Alaska Native, Asian including Indian subcontinent or Philippines origin, Black or African American including Africa and Afro-Caribbean origin, Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander, or white including Middle Eastern origin. You may fill in as many apply for you. The only way to get this wrong is by not filling it in. Let's move on to section 10. There are 2 questions. 10A, what language did you learn to speak first? Mark only 1. English only, English and another language, or another language. What was the language you spoke first? Right now, make that decision. Bubble it in. 10B, what language do you know best? Mark only 1. English only, English and another language about the same, or another language. Make your decision now. In box 11, please indicate if you have a parent or guardian who is in the military. Read each description and fill in the circles of all that apply. Mark all that apply. I have a parent or guardian who is on active duty in the U.S. military. I have a parent or guardian who is in the National Guard. Neither of my parents or guardians have a current military connection. You may circle all that apply. Make your decision now.